So how heavy are we thinking this this piece of rock is right here?
200 to 300 pounds.
Good gosh. If you didn't catch that, it's 200 to 300 pounds. This is just one of the 4 pieces. Ooh, I bet that hurt.
Yeah, a little bit.
Like a glove, right?
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Oh, that's pretty.
So how long you guys been working together?
Since December.
Oh really? Oh
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, he's been here longer.
Oh really?
Yeah, I just started in December, so.
Good deal. Well, you're excellent at it already.
Yeah.
Pause the video and let me know what you guys think of this granite, of this rock that we picked out. I love it. We've picked out a lot of different color granite in our day, and this is by far the favorite of mine that we've ever done. Again, there's gonna be backsplash here. I think it looks sweet, but be honest, let me know what you think. We do have a problem regarding the countertop installs. This piece of cabinet was placed too closely to that, so there's not going to be enough space for the oven to go in there, so we have to move that piece of cabinet over, what is it, 3/8 of an inch?
Yep.
Yeah. The car's over here. I got that on video.
Right. Do something else.
Running into all kinds of problems today. We just got brand new gutters. They look great, as you can see, but we haven't got our landscaping done. We usually get that done last so it looks sweet for the pictures. However, this big bush that we're gonna be getting rid of, the wind is blowing and just smacking it against these brand new gutters, hopefully not damaging them. So now Dad's gonna try to take these limbs out with some bolt cutters. Not exactly the right tool for the job, but the only tool we got at this moment. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Well, it'll work if it doesn't move away from me.
Maybe I need to quit recording and brace it a little bit.
Yeah. But you need a glove or something.
Stay tuned.
Nothing a pair of bolt cutters can't handle.
Same issue with this one here, but it's not a big pricker bush. Got that one chopped down with the bolt cutter, so no more gutter damage. Just trying to brute force this puppy. Nice. So tell me, why do we got this backsplash here in a bathroom?
Oh, there was a gap because the wall wasn't finished really well prior to us putting in this double vanity. So it's going to look a lot better to have a finished backsplash. If water splashes when someone's brushing their teeth or something, it won't get on the sheetrock, it'll get on the tile and it can just be wiped off. Plus it looks really nice.
Good answer. Going the extra mile to make sure these bathrooms. Pause the video, comment, and let me know if you think it's necessary to have backsplash over those double vanities like that, or if you think it's a waste of time.
Nice little gap there, so these mirrors hang really nicely.
Good deal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Check out the basement. Haven't been down here in a long time. New handrail, carpet on the steps. Ooh, it's dark down here. Boom. There's 3 sections to the basement. There's this super large family room, which is really the 3rd family room in this house, because you have the main living room that you come into, and then we also have that big fireplace room on the side. So this is the 3rd living area that you can hang out with people. And then there's a room right here that most people would call a bedroom, but we can't call it a bedroom because the window isn't big enough. So most people would say this is an office, but it's definitely very common for people to throw a bed in there. Then the other portion of this basement is something that I've seen before. We started doing this with our houses, is making these unfinished spots super nice and clean. Posted a reel of that earlier.
He's putting the epoxy in there, and then he'll basically put as much as he can. He'll bring it together, and then he'll squish out the remaining epoxy, and then he'll take a razor blade and smear it all out, and then we'll put the grill on, which will clamp it get it nice and tight so you can't break the pieces.
And these,
That's an excellent explanation of how this rock is binded together completely so that you would never know that there's a seam there on the back and the front of the kitchen sink.
and these are held down by suction from the compressor.